Hello everyone, just thought I'd make a quick video showing, the hurricane from my perspective. It's raining pretty bad. If you see over there, it's flooding a little bit. And so it is in the backyard as well. Open the window a little bit. Yeah, see? Probably can't see too well. Yeah, over there, it's flooding a little bit. And yeah, it doesn't look too good. I think the hurricane is called Hurricane Sandy. So, she's a tough one. It's not too pretty, but it's not too bad. Just, a little bit of wind, a lot of rain. Nothing crazy, nothing nuts, so, just the usual. Well, that's it for today. Bye.